Welcome. There was one very beautiful long trade on the trend following system post the correction that we had in the month of March. It was in a stock named Tata Consumer. This was Tata Tea, which merged with the part business of one more Tata company. So thereby name got changed to Tata Consumer. I'm putting the name here. This is the daily chart of Tata Consumer. We can see here post the correction that we had in March, it was a steep correction. After that, now mostly we will be hearing in the market about V-type recovery, the recovery in the prices. This is kind of V-type recovery. Price dropped into a steep bottom and afterward it straight away comes up. You can see here these red bars are showing what it denotes is that the trend in this stock is bearish. This stock is in a bearish trend. When in a bearish trend, if there is a green bar, price closes above the slow moving average. The moving average which we are using here is the 26 bar exponential moving average. When the bearish trend, stock has a green bar, above that it is a trend reversal buy. So we had the stock coming up for trend reversal buy signal on 9th of April. High was not breached. Then subsequently, next trading day, 9th was a weekend. Next trading day, it gave a lower high. After that, it gets breached. On 15th of April, we have the buy coming up in the stock. Buy was on this bar. When we had a buy here, signal came at 315 with a stop at 274. So risk was 26 plus 15, 51 points. Trade happened here in this bar. Trade came. After that, stock started going strong on the upside. As it moved higher and higher, you can see the histogram getting weak. This is a sign that the trend is getting weak on the upside, while it did not drop. The red dots, where was the stop loss? This was a stop loss. These red dots are the stop loss. Stop loss is 1.5 ATR of the price movement that we use, and it is trailed. So we can see this red dot is moving along with the price. At this place, stop loss was 324, low was 325. It did not hit. When there is a good strong trend, most of the times the trade keeps continuing for a longer period. After that, of course, movement started getting slowed down. It was not having such big moves while it was continuing to keep giving higher highs. And along with the price, stop loss also kept moving higher and higher. As we came here towards the right edge, somewhere around 15th of June, second week of June, means the price kept climbing higher and higher. Histogram is struggling to move up. Before that, histogram had a downtick below zero. Once the histogram goes below zero, that indicates more weakness on the prevailing trend. So after that, it might turn down. That's what happened here. So it took at least 5-6 bars before turning down. Downtick on the histogram below zero happens on 3rd of June. After that, it kept moving higher and higher. Even now, the stock is not closed below the EMA, while it got hit on its stop. Stop gets hit here. On this bar, we had the stop hit. And when stop got hit, what was the exit price? Exit came at 364. So reward on this trade was we bought at 315, sold at 364. 49 points was the gain made. So total it was a just above 1 hour trade. RR on this trade was close to 1 hour. What is 1 hour? Whatever the risk we took, we made about the same as reward. It was 1.2. 1.20 was the reward. That is, if you put 10 rupees as risk, 12 rupees was the profit made. This was a very beautiful trade. It came as the market started moving up from the bottom. So it was a steep correction. It took some time to recover. From there, it started moving up. Trend following trades come like this. It holds for quite a long time. Tests patience also. While profits are at times very big, sometimes small, while the experience of being with the trade is going to be immense. In this trade, it was a beautiful journey. It took about 2 months plus. We entered on 15th of April and exited on 16th of June, exactly 2 months. 2 months, 1 rupee risk has given us 1.2. So similar trades we will share with in the coming days. Whatever had been good, bad also, so that we learn from each and every trades. Thank you.